Dive into the moonlit mystery of bats, marvels of nature with unparalleled immunity. Dive into Curious People, where curiosity meets history. Bats, their role in scientific research is revolutionary, pushing boundaries in genetics and health. They're our beacon of hope for future medical breakthroughs. Bats, mysterious creatures of the night, hold secrets that can revolutionize our understanding of health and disease. Viruses like the flu and COVID-19 have a significant impact on our health, causing diseases in humans, animals, and even plants. To combat these threats, researchers are diving deep into the evolutionary dynamics of viruses using advanced genetic sequencing techniques. Key findings reveal that viruses evolve rapidly, adapting to changing environments. Factors like temperature, humidity, and the availability of hosts can influence this viral evolution. Understanding this evolution leads to better treatment strategies, more effective antiviral drugs, and the development of targeted vaccines. This knowledge empowers policymakers to make informed decisions, ensuring public health safety. Bats are not just creatures of the night. Their unique biological traits, from their ability to fly to their robust immune system, make them a focal point of groundbreaking research. Scientists are intrigued by bats because understanding their unusual innate immune response could provide valuable insights into preventing disease transmission from animals to humans. In their genomes, bats possess genetic adaptations linked to DNA repair and cancer suppression. This discovery is revolutionary in the field of genetics. For the study, researchers sequenced the genomes of 2 bat species using cutting-edge technology and compared them to other mammals. The results were astonishing. Bats have more than double the modified genes related to cancer compared to other mammals, further proving their unique ability to suppress cancer. Dr. Armin Shaban from the Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory in New York emphasizes the significance of these findings, suggesting that bats' unique biology could one day lead to new treatments for human diseases. These discoveries open new avenues for understanding the causes of cancer and the links between cancer and immunity. The knowledge from bats could pave the way for revolutionary treatments for human diseases. And there we have it, another enlightening 3 minutes we've shared. If you found value in what we explored today, consider sharing it. It not only helps spread knowledge, but also means a lot to me. Want to ensure you never miss out on our next journey? If I've piqued your curiosity, do hit that subscribe button. And for those who go the extra mile and click the bell, a heartfelt thank you. Your comments and insights are always awaited.